Welcome to the Triad 3LT red light and infrared therapy device instructional video. Before using your Triad 3LT device, please read the operations manual for device instructions and warnings. The operations manual can be found under the Velcro straps. To begin, fully charge the battery with the charge cord and adapter provided. A solid blue light indicates when the device is fully charged and ready to use. Unplug the charging cord and place the universal wrap directly on the pain site, an LED side against the skin. Use the long Velcro strap to secure the Triad 3LT to your lower back or hip, and the short strap for your knee or arm. Press and hold the on-off button on the battery pack for 2 seconds to activate the device. You'll see 2 red light strips. The other 4 invisible infrared light strips are also hard at work beneath the surface of the skin. Your treatment will run for 10 minutes and shut off automatically. If you feel no discomfort, feel free to repeat the process 2 or 3 more times by pressing the on button again. Triad 3LT, Advanced Red Light and Infrared Heat Therapy, Simplified. If you have any questions, call our toll-free number 866-422-7379.